Hey guys, so we're going to do a little informal unboxing here in my dressing room. I will show you guys, but it look a hot mess, okay? Hot mess, but this here is my Erin Codren seasonal surprise box, as well as the additional thing I ordered. I wasn't sure how the box was going to look, but thus far, I've kept all of the boxes. So I did order something in addition just to kind of preserve the box. And as you see, this beautiful purple floral here. And even this case here that they gave me is purple, which is really, really pretty. So in here, I actually ordered one of the photo albums here. Well, sticker albums. And I figured I have a few of the Erin Codren sheets, so maybe I can put that in here. It just has the kaleidoscope pattern, which I think is cute. Okay, but on to what we came for. So I purposely did not watch anybody's videos because I wanted to see what was in the box, and I've been trying to do that for the last few ones that I've gotten because I don't want to ruin the surprise. Right now, I am very much into the planner thing. I'm very new to it, so a lot of these things I may not have or may not use, and I don't want my opinion of it to be swayed. So just as a little warning, okay, in case any of you guys seen the videos of people posting and what they got in their opinion of things, or you may have your own opinion of things, this is all based off of me and my actual first expression. So enough about that. Let's go ahead and open her up. Da-da-da-da. Ooh. Okay, so let today be the start of something new. And now, you know what? I'll take that because you want to know why? I am essential personnel. If you guys don't know, I am a registered nurse. So I have to go to work. And I worked yesterday. Yesterday was so hard. So hard. But because of our low census, they had to call a lot of people off. And guess who got chose? Me. They called me. They said, oh, I got to call people. I said, yes, absolutely, please, and thank you. So I'm happy about that. So with that being said, I'm actually going to be starting the Adrian, like Yoga with Adrian here on YouTube 30-day challenge. I'm going to be starting that tomorrow. So today I'll be actually doing day 0, and I'm doing it with one of my best friends and my sister. So I can't wait. But enough about that. Let's get to the box. So here, you know, she always tells you about the box. She gives you a little, you know, information here. I'll leave that here real quick. You guys want to pause it so you can read it. But yep, that's it. And then I know on the back is all of the goodies. So I'm going to throw this one aside so you don't see it, and I'm going to just read off of it. All right, so first up, we have the Vision Journal Coiled Notebook. This is an exclusive. Now, if you guys don't know, in the box, he usually does an exclusive and sneak peek or preview thing. And if I'm looking at it, I see there's only 2 things that are sneak peeks in this box. So I will let you guys know. So this one is the notebook. I actually really like the size of it. This is really cute. Let's open it up here. It has that line like it normally does. Let's see what this card says. That's cute. Welcome to the best decade of your life. That's really cute. Okay. Alright, so it's like it has some prompts here to avoid the shadow. I like to do a little this here. Let's turn it, see what's next. I see some dot grid. So there's some more prompts here. What I want to focus on. Okay, this is cute. And then you got brainstorming, so that's where the dot grid comes into. Alright. that's cute. All right, and it looks like you can put your own dates in here, which is great because I see you do like a little vision board there. Oh, this is cute. Okay. And then looks like, okay, in the back here, we got some more dot grid. Oh, there we got line pages. Okay. All right, this looks like this is a whole nother, so that's that's another section. This whole back part is just a, okay, that's cute. All right, I like this. And I like that it's undated because I did start doing like the power sheets and I fell off. And, you know, because I have next week I end up having like a 5-day straight off unless I pick up, even though I don't think that's going to really happen. But I'll probably use this later and I'll just try to get back into using my power sheets for the next quarter. But yeah, that's really cute. Let's see what this may be. Okay, so this is a do-it-yourself interchangeable, yeah, you can see it in here, do-it-yourself interchangeable pen kit. So that's cute. All right, so I guess that's the main column, and then you can just swap these out. Now this is actually this is a sneak peek, and this is going to be $8.50 when it comes out, so that's cute. I love the little pastel colors. It tells you what we have in there. So we have a medium tip, fine tip, and then 2 highlighters plus the barrel, and it gives you the directions. So this is really cute. So anybody interested in this, you can look forward to that. Okay, now we got another Petite journal. So this one is Wildflower for the Design Petite journal with productivity layout. So this is really cute. Okay, now I did get the spring one or winter one, and it did have a Petite folio, like a folio in there, so I ended up not really use it. But let me go ahead and open this up real quick. All right, so this is what it looks like outside of the packet here. See some. All right, I think I ended up seeing somebody, I think this was some of the new things that was being sent out, like this layout for some of the influencers. So I have seen this, but this particular, I guess, pattern will be a exclusive. Okay, and this is valued at $9. So this is cute and has 80 pages, which I think is like standard. Okay, next we have a cleaning checklist notepad, and this is a sneak peek as well. It will retail for $10. This is really cute. So you got something for the week. That's really good, especially for now, considering, you know, we're quarantined and such. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It doesn't tell me how many pages, but it looks like the same for each. It doesn't have it on the back, but I think this is really cute. This is really handy. And if you wanted to really get into doing, you know, a cleaning, like a weekly cleaning schedule, this would be great to have. The next is always, you have the clear sticker sheet. This one is also an exclusive that retails for $4.50. These are very pretty. So I am planning on doing my April monthly spread, and maybe I'll incorporate some of these because I'm trying to use stickers that I have and not buy an actual kit. So this is really cute. All right, so next we have the productivity washi tape. It looks like it's 2 rolls. Okay, this is cute. I know I've seen this. This is also new that they had. This one is, I guess, exclusive for the box, probably because of the colors. But as you see, if you wanted to make something like time, you have that, as well as like for a checklist. So I think that's really cute. But I have seen this washi on some like new products that's come into Erin Codren that was sent to influencers here on YouTube. So this is really cool to actually have my own. I do like that. And then last but not least, she actually gave you a planter. This is really cute. And here where I live, we have a flower show that's like really known. And my leg all in the thing. In the flower show that's known from where I am, I actually just bought some seeds. So I may try to use this, but it's really pretty. I like this like color. I mean, it matches this box very well, but I really like this. This is really cute. And this is a exclusive, and this actually retails for $12. So I think I ended up paying like $40 for the box plus shipping. I think this box was worth it. I got some good things that I can actually use, so I'll take that. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video here. Let me know what you think. Did you guys get the box? What did you think of it? If you didn't, tell me why you didn't want to get it this time. Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing down below here in the corner. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.